Good morning, BraveHearts. Good day, BraveHearts. Alicia and I are here in Barrie, second day 2 of the Pelvic course, and we're so excited. We have amazing 12 very super flexible, powerful ladies who are squatting fully on day 2.
All the way to the ground.
Pardon?
All the way to the ground.
All the way to the ground. How amazing is that? And we're having an amazing time. Here are the beautiful ladies. Pass it on, say hi if you like.
Hello, Shalu here. Hello.
Hello,
Are you having a good
Magdalena.
time? Are you enjoying?
Wonderful time. It's amazing.
Hi, it's Linda here, having a great time with these ladies.
Hi, it's Kathy here. This is a fabulous, fabulous circle here.
And we have
Hi, I'm Diana.
Diana.
Hi, I'm Colette. Beautiful energy here.
You must encourage people to come and take the course.
Hi, I'm Julie. I highly recommend to come and take the course.
Hi, it's Carol. Please come. You'll enjoy it.
And
Hi, this is Emily. Come share.
And teacher here.
Alicia, master trainer with the Doctorate Detox. And yeah, if you really want to connect with your sacred feminine energy and develop a closer relationship with yourself, this is the course to come to.
Have you learned anything more from this course?
Oh, I have gotten deeper in a lot of my exercises, so my own practice is coming along amazing, and I love it.
And we have Leona.
Hi, this is Leona here. If you're all tied up and feeling tight down there, you need to take this course. It is beautiful. It's wonderful.
Even if you're not tied up, can you take the course?
Oh, yes, you can too. It's going to even loosen your... It's going to rebuild everything.
Hi, Felicia here. I am taking the course for the first time, and I'm really amazed at the things that I'm learning here. I've had some pelvic issues over the years, and even just the exercises that we're learning has helped me open up in that area, and learning some really exciting things and amazing things you can do with blueberries.
Hi, Peggy here. First time. This is an amazing course. You want to learn how to be flexible and increase everything in your life with vitality? This is the course to come to.
And it's Chalu's second time,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, this is my second time taking the course, and it's amazing as to how much you don't hear the first time, but even what you did learn, how much deeper you can go into the practice, and the different layers that just keep coming off. And I was sharing this morning about, just another layer of healing for my divine feminine, just because I come from a family where all they wanted was boys. So it's been interesting, and I'm so, so glad and honored to be a part and share with all these beautiful women.
Great.
I'd like to add one more thing.
Sure. Add one more
I
thing.
always have a lot of things to say. I just wanted to say that the wonderful thing about this course and being amongst this group of people is the comfort level. You never have to do anything you don't feel comfortable doing, and you can honor yourself in that way as well, which I really love about it.
Thank you. Well, you heard from the horse's mouth. You're all excited and love this course. If you missed this class already, it's too late. Tomorrow is day 3. We'll come back on tomorrow again and see what the result is, because they may not like it anymore after the 8. I don't know. Or they may have amazing, deeper understanding of themselves. But if you missed this class, the next one is in Calgary. Miss Alicia will be there, and I will be there.
And it is from August 4th to the 6th in Airdrie, just north of Calgary, like 8 minutes.
So come join us. Don't think any longer. Sign on the dotted line and come join us in Airdrie, Calgary. Have a beautiful day, BraveHearts.
And if you want to look to register for the course, go to braveheartnation.com and click on Calgary and click more information, and you can find how to register for the course. Have a beautiful day. 3, 2, 1. You got this.
So well put.